Okay, we're going to be converting a DT graph to a VT graph. So this is your DT graph, and I've left you a VT graph that's going to be blank that you're going to be filling all your info in. There's really not much space here. You would usually have quite a lot more space to do things. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make somewhere that's kind of got a lot of space. You're going to want to make a general VT data table so you can fill it in, and then you go to your DT and you want to look at your time frames. So this negative constant velocity goes from 0 to 6 seconds. This stopped or no velocity goes from 6 to 15 seconds. And then this positive constant velocity goes from 15 to 19 seconds. Notice 0 to 6, this 6 carries to here, 6 to 15, that 15 carries to there, 15 and 19. Now what you want to do is you want to actually find your average velocities for each of these and plug them in. So for this, it's going to be V2 minus V1, or sorry, D2 minus D1, so that's going to be minus 40 over T2, which is 6 minus 0, so that's going to end up being negative 13.3 meters per second. So put that in there, negative 13.3. This one's 0, so that's an easy one, 0. And this one is going to be D2, which is 20, minus D1, which is minus 40. T2 is 19, T1 is 15, so you're going to end up getting positive 15 meters per second. For that, I'm going to plug that in, positive 15. There. Okay, that was the hard part. Now all you have to do is transfer it onto your VT graph. So you're going to take your time frames and you're going to go, all right, I know that from 0 to 6 seconds, I'm going negative 13.3. I don't like the fact that it's 13.3, so I'm just going to figure out approximately where that's going to be. Put a big, thick line between 0 and 6. There. That's constant velocity of negative 13.3, we'll call it. For 6 to 15 seconds, you're at 0. So go like that, 6 to 15, that's 0 meters per second. I don't know, you can't quite see it very well, so I'll thicken it up. That's just along the 0 on your VT graph. And then finally from 15 to 19, you're at 15 seconds. So that's like that. There you go. I just converted this DT graph to that VT graph.